I just want to touch base on how to create an open house in IQ Office, and then if you need to delete an open house, how you do it. So you would go into your listings, and you're going to first go into add an open house. So you can do that by going to your listing and adding it, or you can go into open houses and you can add an open house that way. And I can say, hey, I'm going to show this house. I'm going to hold it open on Saturday from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And then I'm also going to do one on the 18th, 11 to 4. And so you can add a whole bunch at the same time. When you click finish, it's going to add those. So then I can see them here. I can also see who's holding them. When I go over to the actions tab, I can go in and I can actually delete that open house. So that is how you delete an open house in IQ Office. The other way that you can add an open house is you can actually go in and go to your listing and go specifically to the property and over to the open house tab and add a new open house here, and it acts very similarly. That is how you add an open house. It's also how you delete an open house. Hope you have a great day.